Good evening to one and all present here. So let me welcome our Honorable Director of IIIT DM Kurnool, Professor Dr. D.V.L.N. Somyajulu sir, to join as the chief guest for this valedictory function. So on behalf of all participants and AICT and our department, I welcome sir for this valedictory function. So before proceeding to valedictory function and the speech of our chief guest, so let me tell a brief report about this particular workshop. For this workshop, 1,239 participants has registered. So out of which, as per AICT limit, we have shortlisted only 200 participants, and AICT has recommended 14 sessions in 5 days. But in miscellaneous head, they have sanctioned 15,000, so which I have converted to 5 more sessions. So out of 83 FDP, this FDP is having 19 sessions in comparison to 14 sessions of other FDPs. Our participants are very dedicatedly attending the workshop from morning 9:30 to evening 5 p.m. And we conducted around 20 sessions. One session is about stress management by Advocate Aditi from AICT. Recommended some of the persons to take stress management session. So total we conducted 20 sessions, and these lectures are taken by our beloved HOD sir, Professor Dr. P. Radhakrishnan sir, and few faculty members from our department, and few faculty members from outside our institute. So they have highlighted various areas. So as a part of AICT also mentioned that 80% attendance is required and 60% marks they have to secure in the examination. As I can see that in the Google Sheet, many people have secured more than 80% attendance. Even if more people, maximum people secure 100% attendance and good marks, more than 80% mark in this FGP, and they are continuously participating in the workshop without any interruption. And with this history, I'm highlighting. I will now invite our director sir. But before inviting director sir, let me introduce our director sir. And okay, before that, let me tell few participants to please give feedback. Is although we have recorded the feedback twice, one is for our department, another is for AICT. So I request few participants to please give his oral feedback. Please unmute yourself and tell some feedback.
Respected chief guest of this valedictory session, the head of the department, the director of NIT Warangal, and the coordinator Sanjay Panda sir. Actually, though we have attended several number of webinar, especially in the lockdown session, but for the first time, I am attending such a grand event sponsored by AICT in collaboration with NIT Warangal, and I have seen here it is really a useful event, because here we are getting all the things what we are expecting from a faculty development program or such an program for enhancing our knowledge and skills through online mode. And here I must give my sincere thanks to NIT Warangal, the director, the head of the department, and especially to the coordinator of this event, that he has managed all the activities just like a traditional FDP program. No stones remain unturned by him, as I have realized during the 5 days different sessions. Everything is very much systematic. We receive every information through WhatsApp group or email, WhatsApp group and email ID. So we have never get any difficulties, and as and when we face any technical difficulties or any information, it is provided to us through email ID or WhatsApp group, or even sometimes through the chat boxes of this Google Meet environment. So in this regard, I want to thank to NIT Warangal, the director, head of the department, the coordinator, all the staff members of NIT Warangal, all the faculty and teachers and experts delivered their sessions during last 5 days, and special thanks to the coordinator sir. Thank you sir.
Any other participant?
Sir, good afternoon, sir. Myself, Satyanarayan Das from GIT University, Gunpur. At first, I thanks to all the management, director, head of the department, and especially thanks to Sanjay Panda sir for conducting such a nice means FDP, which is sponsored by the Atal and AICT in collaboration of AICT. And I feel this particular FDP will helpful for all the participants, those who are actively involved in this particular 5 days program. And everything is means cut through this particular FDP. We have learned a lot, and especially I thanks to Dr. Sanjay Panda sir, as well as the team which are going to be make the FDP a grand success. Thank you, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Please tell, sir. Please tell.
Good evening, all.
Please introduce and tell.
So, what I observed, the content of the FDP was very nice.
Sir, very first you please introduce to the audience. Then you please tell your name and affiliation.
Yeah. I am Dr. Sarath Chandra Nayak from CMR College of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad. So I found that the content and the way the team organized the FDP was very excellent. And though it was mathematical, all the presenters tried to their level best to making us understand. And my special thanks to Sanjay Panda for his activeness, punctuality, and the way he managed the whole FDP, 5 days FDP. We did not feel any difficulties during the FDP. Thanks to all.
Any other participant?
Hello. Good evening, sir.
Yes.
Hello. Good evening, sir. I'm Shubhanshu Bala Das from DRDO. I'm a research fellow there. So, first of all, I would like to thank the organizing committee, NIT Warangal, and all who are directly or indirectly have managed this event. So, this was really a great experience. Actually, not only the theoretical part, the mathematical stuffs, but also but also giving a hand-on session is also provided in this FDP. So I would, and one more thing I would like to suggest that in future also please arrange such type of FDP, because it is really a nice experience to cope up with the NIT Warangal. Thank you so much, sir.
Any other participant, please?
Hello, good evening to all. I am Sanjeev Kumar Raul, and I am a research scholar in CSC department, NIT Warangal. And actually, this program now in the online mode, it is very nice, and we got nice stuff from this FDP, and also the practical hands-on session also, and the conducting of all the events very nicely by Dr. Sanjay Panda sir, and it is very nice. Really, it is excellent. Thank you.
Good evening, sir.
Yes.
Sir, myself Roshni Pradhan from KIT University. Sir, I would like to share my personal experience regarding the faculty development program. Actually, I am very happy and thankful to the organizers that they have given such a chance to be a part of it. All the session and practical part are very clear and precise. We have done all the programs and all the activity very clearly, and all the queries are also attended by the experts very well. So I would like to thank each and every one and and all the organizing committee to organize such a emerging technology faculty development program. Thank you all.
Hello.
Yes. Please tell.
Good evening. I am Professor Suresh Prabhoju from CVIT, Head of IT Department. And good evening, respected Somanal Garu and Panda Garu and other my fellow.
Good evening, Professor Suresh.
Sir, good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, the program went on very well. It's well organized and very systematically organized, sir. And all the schedules were in place. There was no change in the schedule at all, and all the sessions started on time, and they finished also within the limited time, and all information is well communicated and well organized, and the contents were well informative and very much useful. Actually, I wanted to attend many FDPs, but I could not attend because of this lockdown period. I could able to attend this FDP, and I really learned many things. And really, I went back to 2004. So when Professor Somayagar organized one program, that FD program, and data mining, really I enjoy like that. So all the 5 days, starting from 9:30 to 5 o'clock. So every day, without the Panda sir, he didn't leave any minute. Each and every minute he utilized perfectly, and I had to congratulate the Panda Garu and the all organizers, and it went on very well organized. And thanks Panda Garu for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, sir. I think it is a training of Professor Somayagar Garu, and that is how Dr. Panda could able to conduct this successfully. So thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. Any other participant?
Good evening, sir. Ashish Saluja here from Silicon Institute Technology. It's always been an immense pleasure to be a part of anything which is conducted by you, that is Dr. Sanjay Kumar Panda. And during this lockdown period, conducting such an FDP on time shows the effort that you have put in and the sincerity that you have in your work and the dedication you put in. Hope to see such more FDPs conducted by you in the near future. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Any other participant? Any other participant?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Good evening, Director IIIT Kurnul. Sir, really it was a nice program from the coordinator of this FDP, as well as I am thankful to NIT Warangal to conduct such event. And I think it is not only for me, it is definitely helpful for all the participants here. And in near future also, we want such kind of programs from Sanjay Panda sir, so that we'll all will get benefit from that. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Your voice is audible. Please go ahead.
Sir, myself, I am Koteshwar Rao, VNR Vignan Jyoti from Hyderabad, sir. So firstly, I would like to thank AICT and Atal Academy for organizing such a wonderful and useful FDPs throughout this lockdown period. And then secondly, with respect to this FDP, I would like to thank Sanjay Kumar Panda sir for giving me an opportunity to join for this FDP. And one more point with respect to FDP is it is a very systematically organized, all the sessions and the delivery of the content on the material you have shared every day in the evening for us to practice are wonderful, sir. We are very happy to join with this, and we hope in future also if you conduct any programs, we definitely try to join to the FDP, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Any other participant?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Your voice is audible. Please go ahead.
Sir, myself, Dr. Yoganand Patnaik from MBGR College of Engineering, Vizianagaram. So I would first of all like to thank AICT and NIT Warangal for providing me an opportunity to this Atal program in this pandemic situation. So I am very much thankful to the coordinators and the organizers, and I hope that some more FDPs to come in near future from these coordinators. So especially I thank Dr. Sanjay Panda for organizing such a very wonderful sessions for all the 5 days. Thank you.
Any other question? Okay, before Honorable Director of IIIT DM Kurnul introduce our participant, welcome will tell his speech. Let me introduce Honorable Director at IIIT DM Kurnul. Honorable Director, Professor Dr. DVLN Somyajulu received PhD degree from IIT Delhi, India, and MTech and MSc degree from IIT Kharagpur. He is currently on deputation from National Institute of Technology, Warangal, India, for 5 years. He served NIT Warangal for 30 years in the profession of teaching, research, consultancy, and outreach activity. And he is the senior most professor in Department of CSE NIT Warangal. He served as a chair of MIT sponsored project of E&ICT Academy NIT Warangal during 2015-19. So it is a 27 crore project for conducting faculty development program. And E&ICT Academy of NIT Warangal also is one of the best academy in all over the India, and it is the top among all. And in comparison to other IITs also having E&ICT Academy, but NIT Warangal E&ICT Academy, NIT Warangal E&ICT Academy is one of the best academy in all over the India. And during his tenure in the E&ICT Academy in NIT Warangal, he conducted 225 faculty development programs. So AICT is conducting 83 FDPs in this period, but SAR has conducted on 225 FDPs in his career, 30 MOUs with institutions and industries, 1 BUSMUL training in association with IIT Madras, established 1 seminar hall in our department, 2 interactive classrooms, and generated 2.25 crore revenue. And he completed 11 external sponsored projects, 5 as a PI and 6 as co-PI. He guided more than 12 PhD scholars and published 100 plus publications in various international journals and conferences. He was invited by Microsoft USA for Faculty Research Summit in 2006. He executed 3 major projects with a total fund of around 27.5 crore. He established Mini Center of Excellence on Big Data with a grant of Rs 80 lakhs. He received Best Engineering Award in 2006, Appreciation Award from IEEE Computer Society, and recognition of excellent leadership in organizing 7th IEEE T4E 2015 at NITW, Best Engineer Year Award from Institute of Engineers in 2007. He is a member of NBA and NARC Expert Committee. In fact, BSSUT Burla got 3-year NBA accreditation. Department of CSE got an accreditation in which Professor Soumya sir is one of the expert members. His research interests include data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, database system. He has delivered several invited talks, chair sessions in many international and national journals. He acted as reviewer in many reputed journals. In fact, he is now is a director of IIT DM Kurnool. And as you know, IIT DM Kurnool is one of the centrally funded institute. There are so many IITs in India, but 5 IITs are under the MHRD. One of the 5s are IIT Kurnool, IIT Kanchipuram at Chennai, IIT Gwalior, IIT Jabalpur, IIT Allahabad. Sar joined as a director of IIT DM Kurnool from last February 2019, and IIT DM Kurnool having a faculty strength of sanctioned faculty strength of 15. Although in the last recruitment 11 faculty joined, current strength is 8. So as a director, he has joined, but he is serving the institute for more than 16 hours. In fact, I will tell you a story. After my joining at IIT DM Kurnool, the first convocation of IIT DM was scheduled, in which while preparing the convocation, various things of convocation, Professor Soumya sir has day and night worked with the faculty members. In fact, he will tell you, to prepare the convocation first page, I am preparing the convocation second page. With a capacity of director, he never feels like a director, he feels a faculty member. And he also, maximum time he is taking dinner, lunch with the faculty member. Such kind of affection we got as a from our sir. And sir is also, I will tell you about some story about NIT Warangal. In NIT Warangal CSE department, prior to 2018, only 13 faculty members are there, if I am correct. And each and every faculty member of NIT Warangal are taking 4 theory subjects. Although whenever a 3rd subject is assigned to us, we are saying, no sir, we cannot handle 3 subjects. But our senior faculty members, including under the guidance of our Professor Somyajulu sir, they are handling 4 theory subjects as well as 4 labs in our department and strengthen our department. If you see the NIRF ranking of NIT Warangal, especially in the teaching field, we are in the best in India. If you compare with IITs also, our teaching is more or less better than few old IITs also. And sir has handled many administrative positions as head of the department, Dean Academic, Chair of E&ICT Academy. And he is a best administrator, best researcher, and best teacher first of all. And he has done significant contribution to IIT-DM Kurnool. IIT-D Kurnool having now 2 fully functioned hostels, and our administrative building is also started. So this is these works are much more going in a very faster way after joining of Professor Somyajulu sir, and he believes in the hands-on training. In fact, when I was there at IIT Kurnool, every day he is telling, tomorrow there is a Python workshop. If you don't know Python workshop, please sit and take your class in the evening without compromising your class. You please attend the workshop. Since as a faculty members, we can increase our skill. And as I have worked many faculty members and many senior faculties, and including vice chancellors and director, I have never seen a person like him. He is also believing on hands-on training. So whenever there is a workshop planned at IIT Kurnool, we always tell that you focus on hands-on training. Don't show your slide. People are not interested to see your slide. Do whatever you want, but give hands-on training to the participant. And I know our participants have given so much hour, because attending 19 session is very difficult, and it is 6 hours instead of 4 hours 30 minutes as mentioned by AICT. So with this brief introduction, because I cannot summarize what kind of emotion I have with IIT Kurnool as a director with him, but as it is a limited time, with this brief introduction, I request Honorable Director of IIT Kurnool to address this gathering.
Thank you, Dr. Panda, for introducing me to the participants of your program. First of all, I thank AICTE for encouraging the faculty members to organize ATAL programs. In fact, in the wake of COVID-19, several colleges are already started doing this. I am happy to note that Dr. Sanjay Kumar Panda has got an opportunity to conduct one such program under ATAL scheme from NIT Warangal. In fact, NIT Warangal has conducted several programs in this summer. After going through the feedback given by the participants, I am able to remember the kind of feedback that we received at IIT-DM Kurnool in the last summer, 2019. In fact, in the last summer, 2019, with the faculty members of 2 in number, and of course, if you count me, 3 in number in Kurnool, all 3 faculty members jointly conducted 3 ATAL programs, and we received a very excellent feedback. And also, many participants have requested us to take classes on every Saturday, Sunday for 2 hours. All these things are we received because of the commitment of the faculty members at Kurnool, where Sanjay Kumar Panda is also one of the members. Right? So I'm happy that the similar program is repeated here at NIT Warangal. With, of course, when I have gone through the content, he has revised the content and refined to the best possible way to suit the current day practical needs of the industry. You know, conducting online programs is not an easy task. It is very difficult. Face-to-face teaching is much easier than online teaching. But of course, there are some advantages which I have noticed personally when such online workshops are conducted by me also in this summer. In fact, in this summer, we conducted 4 online workshops under the bannership of Virtual Learning Academy to impart training on Moodle LMS, and then how to conduct assessments using Moodle, and then how to prepare the e-content in 4-quadrant approach through NMACT, etc. But when I see in an online program, we are getting more questions from the participants because there is no physical appearance, so people are free to ask questions. So that is very good. In fact, maybe days may come to conduct several online courses for our students by all of us, because students also can pose more questions for the teacher. But standing in front of several people with different mindsets, with different knowledge levels, taking online course by teachers is not easy. But based on the feedback that I listened from all of you, I can 100% say that Sanjay Kumar Panda has taken the program very seriously, meticulously, and systematically planned and then executed the program. On the last day of the program, normally the number of participants will always be less, whether it is online or offline, unless the program starts with serious efforts and with good delivery of content, along with activity-based learning. People may not stay for a long time. When I am going through all the feedbacks given by all of you, I can easily say that the way the program started is 100% systematic, and the speakers have covered several topics related to AI and ensembling methods, clustering, classification, little bit of data science, etc. But teaching these concepts are different. Giving activity and asking the participants to do it is different. So this is an activity-based training program organized by Dr. Panda. So I congratulate him, and also at the back end several research scholars and faculty of NIT Warangal Computer Science Department. They all worked hard to streamline in spite of the difficulties that each one of them is facing. When he has mentioned about the overview, the number of applications received are more than 1,000, but he has restricted to 200 only. So I'm sure he can repeat this program several times with the contents. Whatever changes are required, we can revise and then reorganize the content. This is the approach we are following at IIIT Kurnool also. Recently, we trained around 500 faculty by organizing 4 virtual learning workshops, each of 2 days, but different participants. But after giving 10 days time, we have sent another request to the people who have attended to come for doubts clearance through online, because doubts clearance can always be important. So I think Sanjay also can take up this, so that those who are having doubts, they can interact with a separate session, maybe half-day session or half an hour or 1 hour once in a week. We can plan so that more activity-oriented work the faculty can do it. This is one of the advantage of online program. And in addition to that, you can also, if you miss any lecture, the recording of the lecture is already available. You can browse it and then take a note of it, and then you can learn at your own pace. So self-paced learning is also very easy here, but whatever it may be, we cannot replace a teacher. But nowadays, because of the technological development and also because of the necessity in the wake of COVID-19, you may have to teach in online mode to your students maybe in the next semester, who knows it. So if the government insists, we have to do it. That is the reason why online workshops are always important and useful, but teacher role is only changing today. Teacher is required, but the effort put in by the teacher is very much important, even whether it is offline or online. So in the online, teacher has to do more work than the offline teaching. But the only thing is, we are missing the face-to-face interaction the sense of belongingness we may miss, but that can be overcome to the maximum extent by interacting using the Meet like this, Google Meet, and also by calling the students telephonically and then discussing the problems that they are facing. And also you can have a discussion forum, you can have a chat box, you can put online quizzes. Using all these things, you can fill the face-to-face teaching problem. But I'm sure similar kind of workshops through online is going to ruin the nation. There is a big debate going on even at the MHRD level, how to conduct the classes for the students. As a director of IIITDM Kurnool, I am giving all my experiences in the form of reports from time to time. But we are experimenting to conduct examination for final year students through quiz, through question banks, by developing questions using question bank option of Moodle LMS. And we want to conduct examination consisting of all sorts of questions that the teacher is giving in the normal classroom, the normal examination system. All sorts of questions with the timing, with restrictions on timing, and also with sequencing of the questions, randomization of questions, with the jumbling of answers. All those things we are implementing. So maybe in the month of June, we may get some exposure on this. Already our faculty are trained in this regard. So I think all the faculty, whoever is attending today, also have to look into this matter very seriously in order to not to disturb the academic schedules of your final year students particularly. Then of course, every institute has an academic policy and a body. Using their decisions, you have to adapt it. But you can give your views on that, your institute, so that they can explore all these ways. And in fact, in Kurnool, we have already started this activity. If anybody is interested to take training on Moodle LMS, you can go to Virtual Learning Academy site and then you can register your name so that you can attend this program. I congratulate the entire organizing team of the Department of CSE NIT Warangal for planning this course meticulously right from the sanctioning to the execution. And before I conclude, I would like to give one advice for all of you. Please refer Niti Aayog paper AI for All, which was readily freely available. You can Google it. It is a 115-page document. All the features that you have learned, their applications are very nicely explained in that paper. Please refer that paper so that you can strengthen your interest in this domain. With these remarks, I once again congratulate my fellow teacher. Of course, we both work together. Even though his stay is very short at Kurnool, we have done several activities together. Even though I am a director, but I belong to the Department of CSE, so we both worked and organized several activities. And this year, we are starting MTech program on data analytics and decision sciences through GATE. And Panda is a very sincere, hardworking faculty and also young and energetic. And when he got the offer at NIT Warangal, what I should give as a suggestion for him, I lost a good hand, but it is a gain for Warangal, which is my host institute. I came from Warangal and I joined Warangal almost 40 years back. So I told anything is okay for me, but we can work together. With that brief support, I told him to decide on his own. So wherever he works, I'm sure that he puts his effort very sincerely, and with dedication, he is going to work. So maybe with that mind only, he has planned everything very systematically and meticulously. Congratulations to Panda and his team. Once again, I thank all the learners, because you are all also participants. You are all my fellow faculty. We are all faculty working together. So I call as learners only. I also learned certain things from this feedback session also. So I thank all of you for sparing your time and participating in this valedictory function. Thank you one and all. Thank you, Professor Panda. Dr. Panda, over to you.
Thank you very much, sir, for giving your valuable time. As you can see that I told Director Triple-IT TDM Cornell to join at 4:50. Sir has joined prior to that. Like in the inaugural session also, Director NIT Warangal joined 30 minutes before. It shows the responsibility how they are handling. It clearly shows how much they are dedicated to be a part of any workshop or any program. So let me, it is my privilege to give the final vote of thanks. I thank Director Triple-IT TDM Cornell, Director NIT Warangal, Registrar, Deans, Advisors, HODs, HOD Computer Science, faculty members of NITW, faculty members as a participant, various resource persons, AICT staff members, Dr. Ravindra Kumar Singh, Honorable Director of AICT Atal Academy, Dr. Giridhar Lal Garg, Assistant Director, AICT Atal Academy, to sanctioning this particular workshop, and finally we have conducted this workshop. And finally, I would like to thank all the participants for their patience. In fact, they have present in 6 into 5, 30 hours they spent to learn this particular artificial intelligence course. Thank you one and all. Thank you to the print and media for publishing our event in the newspapers. Thank you one and all present here. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Sanjay. Thank you one and all. Right. Thank you.
So I request all the participants in the final, as we are closing the workshop, I request if you have not filled your feedback form, so I request you to kindly fill the feedback form. So we have 2 feedback forms. I am again repeating, so you should not confuse. One is for AICT, another is for our department. Kindly fill up the feedback form. I will send the data. I will see the attendance and the marks today, and I will forward forward the seat given by the AICT tomorrow, so that you will get your certificate in the next week. Thank you very much. Thank you for your patience. Thank you very much.